up, guys? Maximum Outdoors here, coming at you from Mendocino National Forest. I got Gams right here with me. We took the 07 Tacoma up here from San Francisco this morning, left pretty early. Made good time. Just in time to see this beautiful view. I'm going to be cooking up some filet mignon tonight. Hopefully it's good. It's from Target. He loves it up here. Wanted to do a review here real quick on the Cayman Jack pre-mixed margarita here. I got this in a 6-pack for $8.99 at Target. It's made with 100% blue agave nectar, natural lime juice, and real cane sugar. It's a premium malt beverage, 11.2 ounces, 5.8% alcohol, which is decent. It's a little twist off here. Oh, look at that. Get it while it's hot, yeah? Okay, let's give this a taste. Huh. That's not bad, actually. There's a pretty good lime. There's a good lime flavor there. It's not too sweet. It is sweet, but it's not too sweet, but it's weak in the alcohol department with the burn. There's no burn at all. This would be good for while you're driving, boating, taking your kids to school. Put it in your thermos, your coffee mug. It's discreet. Yeah. This would be good for a day buzz or morning buzz. On a scale of 1 to 5, I would give the Cayman Jack a 3. It's better than I expected. It's definitely not a real margarita, but for a flavored, pre-mixed cocktail, oh. Maximum Outdoors, we out here, baby. What are you doing? What are you doing, bud? What are you doing? You mountain goating? Are you mountain goating? You mountain goating, motherfucker. Snow melt. Pretty clear. Okay, here's a Maximum Outdoors original camp recipe. We're gonna make filet. We have 2 fillets, and we're gonna make a bell pepper, mushroom, and onion hash. The ingredients are bell pepper, Filet Mignon. Butter, I got Kerrygold. Mushrooms, these are pre-cut, it just makes it a little bit easier. Eggs. Cayman Jack for the cook. Garlic. Yellow onion. Salt and pepper. Montreal seasoning. And Zatarain's blackened seasoning. This is going to be a nice little kick on the hash. Let's get started here, cutting up the vegetables. Probably not going to use all of these. USDA Choice. These are from Target. It says Minneapolis, Minnesota. Put that all there. Pat it in. Make sure this pan is hot. Throw this pat of butter in. Toss the steaks in. So we'll throw the garlic in first. Let that sweat. Toss everything else in there. Look at that. Now we're cooking with gas. I'm gonna need to season the hash liberally. I still have my secret weapon here, the blackened seasoning. That steak's done. Now these need to rest. So the final part to this hash, we don't want to just toss the eggs into a really hot pan. So I'm going to turn the heat off. Scramble these in the pan here. Load up on this hash here. Let's give this a try. I'm gonna cut into the middle of the steak. Show you guys the cook I got on it. That's pretty good. Pretty close to medium rare there. See how it tastes. Oh, it's tender. Cut's good. Wow. That's extremely tender. Target. You gotta say, that's a good steak. I am shocked. I was not expecting that. That's a good filet. I'm gonna try the hash. It's simple and has bold flavor. The egg just adds extra protein and umami. That blackened Cajun seasoning, that is a game changer for camping. Camping, it's always nice to have something spicy or really flavorful. Well, I'm gonna finish this. It's called maximizing your outdoors, people. Well, that'll just about do it for another episode of Maximum Outdoors. Remember, guys, if you're not outdoors, then where are you? Signing off.